Priority is one of the key concepts in MultiViz. Priority is the mechanism by which MultiViz sorts the assets from the highest priority to the lowest priority. The highest priority are the asset that needs the attention of the vibration expert the most. Priority has three levels: low, medium, and high. And priority is the total score that the MultiViz assigns to an access of a sensor. This is where it differs from the threshold alerts. Let me explain. Let us look at an example that is in front of us. In this example, vibration expert is looking at acceleration RMS, velocity RMS, and peak to peak. And it may decide to put three thresholds for monitoring these three overalls. At any moment that any of these overall crosses the threshold, an individual alert is created. So one may receive 1, 2, 3 alerts at a given timestamp when any of these overall have crossed the threshold. Additionally, as these values fluctuate, they might cross the threshold multiple times and generating multiple alerts. This is not how we handle it in MultiViz. In MultiViz, priority is a total score we assign to an access of a sensor based on all the observation the MultiViz make about the vibration data. For example, in this pump, the priority is assigned to this access is high. And all the reasons can be found in show highlights. These are in three categories: in changes, which shows the different trend changes in the data; symptoms, which specify specific fault signatures; and data quality. In this case, we don't have any data quality. For example, a low frequency event is detected. And this event, as shown here, highlights the increase in energy around 30 Hz. This event itself has contributed to the total score and pushed the priority score higher, which eventually has resulted in the priority to turning high. To summarize, MultiViz does not trigger email alert on every variations on different overalls, with it being acceleration RMS or velocity RMS crossing a given threshold. Instead, it calculates a total score of all the events that has been detected for a given access. If all of these events point to the fact that this machine needs vibration expert attention, the priority of this machine is increased initially from low to medium, and if there are more events detected, from medium to high.